Okay, we're watching out for Tata Steel earnings this morning. Mubina is standing by with a closer look at what's expected. Mubina?
Well, we did see a massive pre-earnings rally in Tata Steel's share price, and this time around it is expected to be a good set of numbers, just as we did see in a JSW Steel, a Steel Authority of India, a top-line growth of 10%. And yes, had it not been for that volume restriction, we would perhaps have seen a better top-line growth given the way that realizations have surged. But yeah, 39,200 is where we are expecting the group's revenues to come in at. The reason why volumes may be a little limited this time around is because Q3 usually see lower operational days. The EBITDA, however, will more than make up for it with a surge of close to 2x at 8,670 crore rupees, leading to a margin of 22.1%, the biggest we've seen in a very long time. And the profit after tax attributable to shareholders is seen at 3,410 crore rupees. Like I mentioned, the surge in steel prices will aid the profitability. For Tata Steel, meantime, I think that high iron ore price figure won't really hurt them so much because they have quite a bit of backward integration. Europe, meantime, of course, is going to be very closely watched because remember that it has been posting a negative EBITDA for the last many quarters. But, this global steel rally will push this one into the green as well. One negative will be the fact that, the Ijmuiddin Steel Works talks with Saab has been sort of called off. Saab did have their reservations when it comes to going forward with this deal. So what shape will it take going forward, because this is not the first time that talks for one of their European steel works has been called off. It happened with ThyssenKrupp. This is the second time it's happened with Saab. So let's see what they have to say when it comes to that, because I think largely now the stories around how they manage their weaker assets, because we know on the fundamentals, on the fact that the steel prices bit, they are well set. It's now more about how they do their internal restructuring for Tata Steel going forward.